Hey, welcome to ProBors. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what you get, how to use it, and how to find real signals fast. Think of this as your unfair advantage. We track where real money moves, company insiders, politicians, market flows, and layer AI on top so you can act with confidence. Here's the plan. I'll walk you through whales, insider trading, politician portfolios, AI analytics, chart analysis, heat maps, the news feed, and the economic calendar. I'll also share a few quick playbooks you can use today. Let's start with the whales section. These are corporate insiders, CEOs, CFOs, and board members. When they buy or sell, they're voting with their own money. Your goal here is simple. Find large, recent, and clustered purchases. How to use it. Go to Whale Trades. First, pick your view. Simple view is clean and expandable. Expert view is dense and fast. Great if you like seeing everything at once. Now filter it down. In the search box, you can type a ticker, a company name, or an insider's name. Set trade type to purchases if you want buy signals. Use min value. Try $100,000 to surface only meaningful trades. Pick a date range like last 2 weeks. If you want conviction, set cluster size to 2 or 3 to find multiple insiders buying around the same time. And you can sort any column: ticker, insider, type, trade date, quantity, price, value, even ownership change. Just click the header. When you expand a row, you'll see the trade details, the size, prices, filing dates, and ownership changes. From there, you can add the stock or the insider to your watch list. How I use it. Set purchases, min value 100,000, date range last 2 weeks, cluster size 2. Sort by value descending. That gives you high conviction, timely insider buys. Next, insider trading. This is where you see what politicians are buying and when. These filings often line up with policy timing, so they're valuable.
How to use it. Open Insider Trading. Simple View gives you a clean overview with Expand on click. Expert View compresses more information into a smaller space. Use the filters. Search is free text across names and stocks. The politician filter lets you isolate a specific person. The stock filter is smart. Start typing and it suggests matches. The transaction filter lets you switch between purchases and sales. Sort by politician, stock, type, trade date, filing date, or amount. When you expand a trade, you'll see the filing date, the trade date, the amount, and time ago context so you can judge freshness. You can also add that stock or politician to your watch list. What I find works best. Set transaction to purchases, then sort by filing date, newest first. You'll instantly see the most actionable filings. Politician portfolios. This shows longer-term holdings, performance, and top positions. It tells you who's been consistently right and what they're holding. How to use it. Open politician portfolios. Here's what you'll actually see for each portfolio. You'll find the total portfolio value, performance for the selected period, and the latest update date. You'll also see top holdings with their tickers and recent changes, so you can tell what's driving performance and what's just along for the ride. You can dive deeper into positions, relative weights, recent movers, and how the portfolio mix has shifted over time. It's a little crazy, but you'll notice they're almost always in the green, consistently. You can sort by name, portfolio value, or performance. Tap a card to see more. Track or untrack with one click so you can come back to your favorites quickly. How I use it. I scan performance first to spot consistent winners. Then look at the top 3 holdings to understand the thesis. If those overlap with fresh insider activity or AI analytics agrees, that's worth a deeper look. I track 3 to 5 portfolios I respect and check back monthly. AI analytics. This is your fast, focused deep dive on any ticker. It gives you a balanced view: trend, risks, sentiment, and likely scenarios. How to use it. Open AI Analytics. Use the search bar to type a ticker, company name, or even a sector. You'll see popular tickers for a quick start. You can also browse by sector. Tap a sector and we'll pivot your search instantly. Select a ticker to open its AI analysis page. What you get: a concise AI read, trend direction, key insights, potential risks, context from sentiment and market structure. Use it alongside whales and insider trading to confirm what you're seeing. Chart analysis. This is where you upload a chart screenshot and get entries, exits, and risk in plain English. How to use it. Open chart analysis. Upload a JPG or PNG under 5 megabytes. Select your time frame: 1 minute, 5, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily or weekly. Enter the symbol and hit Analyze. What you get: a trade decision, long or short, with a confidence rating. A precise entry price, take profit, and stop loss with explanations. You'll also get the trend, pattern, support and resistance, a volume summary, and a risk assessment. You can copy the analysis to your clipboard, mark it as a favorite, share or export if available, and switch to full screen for focus. My go-to setup. For swings, use the 1 hour or 4 hour time frames. For intraday, use 5 to 15 minutes. If AI says long with high confidence and you also see fresh insider purchases or politician buys, take a closer look. That's signal stacking. Heat maps. Quick market overview. Glance to spot sector strength or weakness. Newsfeed. Quick context. Check headlines only when needed. Economic calendar. Glance at upcoming macro events before entries to avoid surprises. Now, 3 quick playbooks you can use immediately. 1. Momentum confirmation. Heat maps first. Find the strongest sector today. In Wales, set purchases, min value 100,000, date range last 2 weeks, and cluster size 2. Pick 1 or 2 names. Open AI Analytics for a sanity check. Then run chart analysis to get your entry, exit, and risk. 2. Policy tailwind. Insider trading with transactions set to purchases. Sort by filing date, newest first, and look for repeat buyers. Open politician portfolios and sort by performance to confirm longer-term conviction. Then, use AI analytics to validate the thesis and risks before you act. 3. Reversal hunt. In Wales, set cluster size to 2 or more and date range to last week. Look for insiders buying the dip. Check the news feed to see if a negative catalyst has resolved. Then, use chart analysis on the 4-hour or daily time frame to confirm a high or low and define your risk. Pause access. ProBors now offers one powerful plan: Premium, complete with a free trial so you can experience everything risk-free. With Premium, you get unlimited whales, insider trading insights, AI analytics, chart analysis, and full portfolio visibility. If you're ready to take your trading to the next level, head to dashboard.probors.com. Your future self will thank you.